meals under $5. We got whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat pasta is high in carbs. So if you are watching your carbs, please do not eat whole wheat pasta. So in under 15 minutes, in order to create this meal, you will have to boil water. If you're feeding 1 to 3 people, you will boil 8 cups of water. If you're feeding 4 to 6 people, you will boil 16 cups of water. Once your water is done boiling, you add your pasta. So if you are feeding 1 to 3 people, you would add about 2 cups of pasta. If you are feeding 4 to 6 people, you would add 4 cups of pasta. Alright, you will boil that for about 10 minutes. Make sure you stir occasionally so the pasta does not stick to the boil. Alright, after you're done boiling, you will just drain all of the pasta out. Make sure all of the water's out. You can still leave some. After you drain, you add your sauce. So you add your Alfredo sauce. Alright. After you add your Alfredo sauce, you can add bell pepper, shrimp, chicken, beef, pork. You can add your meat to the pasta. So the statistics behind this $5 meal consists of 3,000 calories in total. It can feed a total of 6 people. With each cooked cup, it will consist of 700 to 1,000 calories. That means that's pretty much it. A $5 meal, 4 to 7 days. That's it, cut.